So one of the things that I think is unique to teaching to education is the fact that it influences almost every, if not every profession. So everybody, whether it's the business world, whether it's, ministry, whether it's education, whatever it might be, whatever profession they're in, they actually have had a teacher, they've had to go through the education process. And so we get to be on the other side of that, which I think is really unique.
Teachers are in high demand right now. Quality teachers are even more in demand right now. Oklahoma Wesleyan does a great job at immersing their students early on, right into the classroom their very first year.
So we are influencing future business leaders or future, youth pastors or future teachers or coaches or whatever it might be, nurses as well. So in the field of education, we're able to have a broad range and a broad mission field. And so that's one of the reasons why we think it is a calling that is specific to teachers. And we talk about that again from the very first class that we see those students.
I think here at OKWU, just the way that we embrace the Christian philosophy, where not necessarily you're going to be able to go out into the schools and preach, but you are going to be able to go out into the schools and hold that character, that integrity that goes along with your education here, that spiritual well-being that you're going to take for yourself and for that to give to others. I think that's one of the greatest things about this program is we learn by our actions. And let them speak for us once we get into a school system that maybe we can't voice that. So I think that's one of the greatest aspects.
So in a school of education, or here at Oklahoma Wesleyan University, we believe that teaching is a calling. It's not just another profession and not just another field of study, but that we are called to teach. And that's one of our goals, is to aim for that being called to teach.
Hi, I'm Professor Sells. I prepare students to become elementary teachers.
Hi, I'm Professor Flick, and I prepare students to be teachers.